Hi there guys, welcome back to another episode of Tom Voyage. This week we have a new pizza oven to try. This is called the Flamo gas-powered pizza oven. Today we're going to unbox it, set it up, do a cook and let you know what we think. So this oven is known as the Flamo. Flamo? I always want to say that in an Australian accent for some reason. It was sent to me by the company to do a review and an unbox, so let's get started and unbox it. So right away we have some instructions here, tell us a little bit about how to set that up. And this box contains the pizza stone, the baking board, so we've got to be careful with that one. Next up, this is the gas hose. So this is a gas-powered pizza oven. Looks like a 37 M-bar end on there for using it with propane. Now, unlike a few of the other pizza ovens I've reviewed before, this one, it looks like you have to set this up yourself. And then finally, under this polystyrene, we have the pizza oven itself. Oh look, they give you one of those things to light it with a match if the gas doesn't work. Okay, so here is our Flamo. I'm going to move this box out the way and set it down. Now this is upside down, obviously we need to pop the legs out. There we have it. This is a neat little oven. I like it. So the first job is to get the pizza stone installed. That just drops in like that. And then we need to link up the gas hose. So as easy as that, this Flamo pizza oven is now set up and ready to cook. But before we cook on it, I'm going to show you some of the accessories that came with it. So with this pizza oven, Flamo have also provided an infrared thermometer, a couple of these pizza cutters. They're nice big chunky ones as well, which I like. They've sent us 3 pizza peels. These are the stainless steel pizza peels without a handle, the ones that you just kind of slide in and out. And finally in here they've sent us another pizza stone. That's always good to have in case you break the first one. So we've just set up and lit the Flamo pizza oven, so we're going to leave it for about 30 minutes to come up to temperature. We're looking for a stone temperature of between 450 to 500 degrees centigrade. Whilst we're waiting for this pizza oven to come up to temperature, I'm going to read you some of the features. So the Flamo pizza oven has got a high heat retention. It's a cordierite stone for the perfect pizza base. It's got an insulated shell which is going to hold that heat in and deliver really fast cooking times. This oven runs on gas and it's controlled by a knob on the side, which means turning the temperature up or down is really simple. One of the features I really like is the fact that this hose for the gas is long. It makes it nice and easy to maneuver your gas bottle around. And finally, I really like the style of this oven too. It's got a nice kind of powder coated black exterior and it looks really sleek in your garden. So it's been about 15 minutes. We're just going to check with our thermometer how hot the stone is. It's nice and easy, just put the laser in the middle there and it's given us a reading of 360 degrees, so it's well on the way but not quite hot enough yet. So it's been another 5 minutes and as you can see that's shooting at a temperature of 461 degrees centigrade now, so that's easily hot enough to cook a pizza. So let's go get our first pizza and try this oven out. So our pizza's ready. We've got a ham and mushroom pizza here ready to go on the Flamo pizza oven. Because this is a gas pizza oven, it's nice and easy. We can turn down that gas because it's a little bit intense, a little bit hot at the minute. So we're just going to knock that back and get our pizza on. So that stone is now saturated with heat, so that's going to be cooking the base of the pizza, whilst those flames at the back are going to roll over the top of the pizza and cook all the toppings. Now Flamo claim that this will cook a pizza in 90 seconds, or there or thereabouts, and I can believe it with the heat that's coming out of this thing. I'm going to slide our peel in and turn it round. You can see we're getting some nice colour on that side, so it's important to remember to turn your pizza around. I like these peels as well. They're nice and light. They're made of aluminium or stainless steel, I think. I'm not sure, but they're certainly very light and easy to manoeuvre. Smells really good too. The smell's coming out of this oven. Give it another little turn. The dough we've got here today is a 65% hydration. It's one of my favourite hydrations to use, really. I feel like it's nice and manageable, nice and easy, but still gives a really good puffy crust that gives you a nice crunchy crust as well. So this would be ideal if you were cooking multiple pizzas for a party, something like that, because it retains the heat really well. So you can see there now we're getting some nice leoparding on this crust. And on the base will be nice and cooked as well from the intense heat from that stone. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Look at that. This crust is perfect. That pizza is done. It smells great. It's a nice crunchy crust. You can probably hear that. All the toppings are done. The base of the pizza has come out really nice as well. I can't wait to get stuck in. So we've got it displayed on our board here now. We're going to use our pizza cutter. This thing just glides through the pizza, really nice and easy. Chop it up. And now, look at that. That is a lovely slice of pizza. So thanks very much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you wanted to buy one of these ovens for yourself, you can use the link in the description below. You can get an up-to-date price and information on all the accessories we've spoken about in this video. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more pizza making videos.